Let's talk about something big, a powerful idea, really, a call to action for right now. It boils down to three simple words. It's time to build. But what does that even mean? Time to build. You know, to really get it, we've got to ask ourselves a couple of really important questions. First off, why is just being good enough suddenly not an option anymore? And second, what do we actually owe the people who came before us and the ones who are going to come after? Well, the answer starts by looking way, way back, by understanding our deep, ancient bond with technology. This isn't some new thing. It's fundamental to who we are as people. I mean, just think about it for a sec. From the very first wheel all the way to the microchip, every single major leap forward in human history was driven by technology. It's the literal foundation our civilization was built on.
And you know what? That's not something we should be afraid of. It's something to celebrate. It's the glory of human ambition and achievement, right? It's the physical proof of our drive to solve problems and do what seems impossible.
So here's the key idea. Technology isn't some outside force that just happens to us. No way. It's woven right into our DNA. It's our birthright, an inheritance of innovation, and it's the very spark that ignites all human progress. And that brings us right up to today, to the single most transformative technology of our lifetimes, the internet. You see, the internet isn't just another medium like TV or print. It's the superset. It's like it took newspapers, radio, TV, and mail, and put them all into one giant, super-powered container, creating something totally new and way more powerful. So what's the long-term vision, the big dream? A world where literally everyone is connected to everyone else. A world where you can do basically anything you can imagine. Learn, play, trade, correspond. A truly global platform for all of us. And this is where the scale of it all just gets mind-boggling. With a platform this powerful, we're not just improving old stuff. We can actually create infinite universes. We have the tools to build whole new worlds, new economies, new cultures. The potential is just limitless. But here's the catch. We have this incredible, infinite potential right at our fingertips, but it's being held back by a really dangerous, outdated way of thinking. It's like you've got two different mindsets. On one side, there's the old era, the good enough is fine crew. Just maintain, don't rock the boat. But on the other side, you've got the new imperative, this relentless drive, the ability to keep coming up with a better way of doing things. And that's really the heart of it. We're no longer in this era of good enough is fine. In a world with this many problems to solve and this much potential to unlock, fine is basically failing. Good enough is just not enough anymore. So if good enough is off the table, what's the new standard? Well, that question leads us right into our final and maybe most important point, our mandate for the future. It comes down to this. We owe the past, we have a debt to every person who built the world that we inherited. And at the same time, we have a massive responsibility to the future, to the generations who are going to have to live in the world that we create. And that responsibility, it lands right on our shoulders. No one is coming to save the day. The future is not going to build itself. If we, right here and right now, don't start building it, then no one else is going to do this. It's just not going to happen. Which brings us full circle, right back to where we started. But now, hopefully, those words have their full weight. This isn't just a catchy phrase. It's an urgent call to action for every single one of us. It is time to build. So let's quickly recap the big ideas we covered. Number 1, our civilization is fundamentally built on technology, period. 2, the internet is this incredible platform with almost infinite potential. 3, that good enough mindset, it's the biggest enemy of progress. And finally, number 4, we have a real, tangible responsibility to both the past and the future to build what's next. And so that leaves us with just one final crucial question. This isn't about what somebody else is going to do or what might happen down the road. This is about you, right now. With all the tools we have and all the challenges we face, the only question that matters is, what will you build?